Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking basics. Make sure your Omoda 5 firmware supports Apple CarPlay and your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later. Connect a high-quality Lightning cable if you'll use wired CarPlay. For wireless, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Enable Siri and location services on your phone because CarPlay requires permission to route and voice controls. Once done, power the car's infotainment system. Open the CarPlay or smartphone projection menu and prepare to pair or plug in. You now move into pairing and configuring CarPlay. On the Omoda 5, pick Apple CarPlay and choose wired or wireless mode, plug in or tap to pair. When the iPhone prompts, tap Trust and allow access to contacts and notifications so apps behave correctly. Make sure the infotainment audio source is set to CarPlay for sound to route to the car speakers. Finally, customize display orientation, audio levels, and steering wheel butt mapping so navigation and calls work as you expect. You finish by verifying key functions. Run a navigation route, make a test call, and play music to confirm audio and microphone work. If CarPlay fails to connect or drops intermittently, restart both the iPhone and the Omoda 5 system, try a certified Lightning cable, and repair via Bluetooth if wireless. If problems persist, clear CarPlay pairings and re-add the device. Make sure firmware and iOS are current. One key tip: if nothing helps, a soft reset of the head unit often resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.